how to create a MySQL database and connect user to the MySQL database in GoDaddy. So let's start the video tutorial. Once we log into GoDaddy hosting account, we need to go to the My Products page. And in this page, we need to scroll down to the web hosting section and click Manage button. Next in this page, we need to click cPanel Admin button, which brings us to the cPanel settings page in GoDaddy. On the main dashboard, scroll down and click on the MySQL Databases option. This will take you to the MySQL Databases page. Next, to create a database, type a suitable name in the database name field. Make sure the name is simple and related to your project. Now, click on the Create Database button, and done. Your new database has been created successfully. You can find your database under the Current Databases section. This is how you can create a MySQL database in GoDaddy. Next step, let's see how to create a database user to connect to the MySQL database. The Databases page. Scroll down slowly until you find the Database User section. Here in the first field, enter your database username. Next, in the password field, type a strong password. Re-enter the same password in the next field to confirm. Now click on the Create User button. And done. MySQL database user has been successfully created. You can now see the user listed under the Current Users section. Next step, let's see how to connect database and the database user. Now in the Add User to Database section. In the first field, select the user you want to connect. And in the second field, select the database you want to connect it to. Now click on the Add button to continue. This will take you to the User Privileges page. Here, you can select or remove the permissions for the user. For full access, you can select all privileges. Now, click on the Make Changes button. And done, the user is now connected to the database. And done, creating MySQL database and connecting the user to the database. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.